So you've probably seen that we ask you to complete your KYC verification on Breet, and maybe you have wondered, why do I even need to do this? A totally fair question. Here's the thing, KYC isn't just another form to fill. It is actually there to protect your account, keep your money safe, and help you use all Breet's features without limits. Basic KYC is super simple. All you need is a valid ID, like your driver's license, passport, or national ID. When you open the verification page, you will see all the supported ones listed, so no guessing. Now, sometimes your verification might fail, and that's okay, it happens. It could be because 1. Your selfie doesn't match the photo on your ID. 2. The information on your ID doesn't match what you entered. 3. Your selfie is blurry or your face isn't clear. 4. The government database is temporarily unavailable. 5. Your network just acted up during verification. No big deal. Just double check your details, take a clear selfie, and try again. Now, if you've completed your basic KYC and you want full access to everything Breet has to offer, the next step is Advanced KYC. This one needs a proof of address, like your utility bill or your bank statement. But just a quick heads up, your Advanced KYC might be rejected if the name on your document doesn't match the name on your Breet account, or the document is older than 6 months. So before you submit, take a second look, make sure the names match and the document is recent. And that's it. KYC isn't about making things complicated. It is really about protecting your account and giving you full secure access to everything Breet has to offer. So if it fails, do not panic. Just fix what needs fixing and try again. If you require help with the process, please feel free to contact our support team. We are always available and happy to help.